Yeah, this one you do. Yeah. This one does like 55, 60. Groms are fun, man. Dude, I've got bigger bikes at home. I ride this one the most. It's so fun. There's commonly asked Grom questions. Surprisingly, I only got the one. So how fast does it go? Actually, no, I did get two because he asked me if I need a license for it.
Nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those are nice pants.
Alright. Alright. Thanks. Well, hello, boys and girls. It's been so long, huh? It's been a while since I've uploaded a video, much less a moto vlog, and there's a reason for that, and we're gonna get into it. So this is more of like an update video, like what have I been up to that has caused me from not making or uploading videos? And there's a simple answer. I've been enjoying life, man. Now, if you've been on my channel long enough, you'll remember I used to upload a video every single Monday. And unsurprisingly, it sort of became almost like a job. And obviously I have a job. I don't need another one. Especially one that doesn't even pay well. So that's basically when I decided not to do the whole every Monday thing. So I'd still upload a video when I would make one. I just wouldn't keep an every Monday schedule like I used to. Because this is obviously just a hobby, right? This whole moto vlog video thing. What is going on, folks? I don't know what. So I've been pretty much enjoying life like every minute that I'm not working, you know? I haven't really felt an inspiration to be creative or, you know, to make videos as of late. So I've kind of taken a hiatus from YouTube, which you've probably noticed, maybe. If you didn't know, KP and I just took a cross-country trip for 2 weeks, which I plan to eventually make a video about. We've seen 32 states of this beautiful country of ours. I mean, we went live every single night on Facebook, so, you know, everybody could follow our adventures and what we saw and what we did. And honestly, I haven't even been riding as much as I'd like to. I kind of feel guilty. We've got like 4 motorcycles in the garage and they've just been pretty much collecting dust for like the past 2 months. Because me and Rye and Dave, aka Jerzadelphia, we all went to Tennessee in the beginning of August. And since getting back from doing that, really haven't been doing much riding because it's just been go, 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 go. So I guess this video is really more or less just to tell you that like I'm still alive, still doing well, haven't died from COVID or anything. I've just been, like I said, I've just been enjoying being alive, you know, taking weekend trips, Lake Placid, the St. Lawrence River, through the Adirondack Mountains, Lake George, going to the Finger Lakes. Just went to my boy's diaper party. He's having a baby, and caught up with some people that I haven't seen in like, God, probably since high school. And I'm dating myself here, obviously, which is like, I don't know, 15, 16 years. I mean, don't get me wrong, I have plenty of footage to go through and upload, but like I said, I've just been kind of lacking the motivation to create anything lately, and I'm not really one to put something out just to put something out. I mean, this video is kind of doing just that, but more of like an update, like, hey, I'm still here. I've been slowly converting the Jeep into like an adventure style vehicle, like overlanding, you know, just you know, not necessarily like mudding or like hardcore off-roading, but you know, say if Kayla and I are on one of our weekend adventures through the Adirondack Mountains or something, we find a nice lake or stream or something to pull up and just camp there, you know? But yeah, I'll only touch on this lightly because, like I said, I plan on making like a whole video about it. But like I said, we just spent 2 weeks going across country, seeing 32 states, seeing some of the beautiful things that our country has to offer. Grand Canyon, probably the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. Hoover Dam, Mount Rushmore, the Badlands in South Dakota. Such a memorable trip. It's probably my most favorable vacation that I've ever taken. Taken quite a few. I mean, a couple ones that stand out. I've done a couple of cruises, and I think this one tops it. I mean, my first trip to East Tennessee is right up there when I met Dave, Philadelphia, for the first time. It's right up there. But yeah, this cross-country trip is probably number one. It's about 8,200 miles we drove. Slept in the Jeep. Like I said, I'm going to make a whole video on it, explaining how we did and what we did, and maybe some tips for those who are thinking about making that kind of voyage themselves. But it is mid to late October, which means winter is coming, which means less time and even fewer videos on the motorcycle. So maybe that's where my creativity will have to spark back up again in the winter time. If you have not seen my two most recent videos, the first one was Harley Davidson versus everyone else, and then toxic sport bike riders. I highly recommend checking them out. I'm in this Fail of the Dragon group on Facebook, and they rag pretty hard on Harleys. So and then there's, you know, equal amount of guys who ride Harleys that rag on like sport bike riders. So I had to make the Harley Davidson video, and then just to, you know, even the scale a little bit, I had to make the toxic sport bike rider video too. So check them out. Hopefully you'll get a good laugh. If you do, let me know in the videos which side you fall on. But that's gonna be it, man. Super short and hopefully kind of sweet. Like I said, it's been like 2+ months since I've been on the bike because I've just been doing stuff all the time, and even longer since I've done a video like this. Uploaded a video, much less a moto vlog. So, but yeah, I'm gonna continue to enjoy life and upload a video when I get a spark of creativity or an idea, and you know, that'll be that. No more schedules. That's really gonna do it for this video. Here's the fleet, and boom. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry it wasn't more interesting. If it was, great. If not, maybe next time. Oh my god! Dude, that little bit of off-roading did all that? Golly. This thing was clean when I took it out. Dude, I literally just went off-road like 20 yards. I wonder what I look like. Jeez. Alright, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Checking in. Hope this somewhat brought you up to speed. Anyway, until the next video, catch you guys later.
Nice meme.